Hello friends, welcome back. My name is PK. In this video, you will learn how to create a beautiful daily sales dashboard in Microsoft Excel. So as you are seeing my screen, I have created this beautiful view for a daily sales dashboard. And here we are showing the number of calls, then number of sales, sales conversion and average sale per day. And then we have displayed here a calendar view for the selected month wherein you can select multiple days, and as per the selection the chart will show the sales and the sales conversion trend for the selected days. You can change your selection range from here. Let's say I want to select only 13 days, or let's say I want to select 21 days. Okay, so you can select the customized range as per your requirement. Now I'll quickly show you the data. So here you can see we have date, number of calls, number of sales. Then we have added two support column, calendar, which is the day of the date, and this is the month. Alright friends, now I will tell you how you can create this in Microsoft Excel. So let's start without delay. I will copy this data and I'll press Ctrl N to add the new workbook and paste this data here. We will use this data. It is in the table view. You can see this is table 1. Now I will create a support sheet using the pivot table. So let's insert a pivot table. Go to the insert pivot table and click on OK. And here we will display number of calls, the number of sales, and then we will display here sales conversion. Sales conversion will be number of sales divided by number of calls. And to create this, we will go to the pivot table analyze, then we will go to the fields, item and sets, and I will click on calculated field. So we will create a calculated field which will be sales conversion, and the sales conversion will be this sales divided by number of calls. Add, click on OK. So this sales conversion is in percentage, so we can change the format of this. Go to the number format, percentage, and you can take 2 decimal place also. So this is our sales conversion. Now we will add one more metric, that is average sale per day. Because we have the daily data and one date is coming only once, so we can take the average of sales. That will be by default average sale per day. So let's add this sales once again. In the last it is showing sum of sales 2. Double click here, we will take the average this time and we will take average of sales. So we can rename this average sales per day. Click on OK. So this is average sales per day. We can change the number format. Let's take number, decimal place 0. Alright. Now we will remove this sum of text from here. The headers, press Ctrl H to use find and replace, and I will put here sum of and replace with blank. We will copy this and let's paste this here, and this time we will add the date. So let's add the date here. Now here you can see it has created automatic group. Now just right click and ungroup this. So we have dates here, then number of calls, and then sales and sales conversion, average sale per day. But we will keep only sales and sales conversion. So just right click and remove number of calls, and right click, remove average sales per day. Alright friends. Here in this sheet friends, to get there we just have used day function, day, and from the date we just have got day for the calendar, and in the month we have used the text function. Here you can see, and we have used 4 times m to get the month name. Now we will create a dashboard tab here. Alright, so first I'll go to the view and I will remove the grid lines from here. Now I will go to the insert and I will insert a word art text here, this one, and I'll put here daily sales dashboard. Make it slightly smaller. Let's take around 25, and let's keep this here. You can change the font, let's say agency FE, make it bold. Let's keep this here. Go to the insert and let's insert a line from the shapes. So let's take this line and drag this line here. Press the shift key while dragging this line so the line will be straight, and you can choose the color from here. So let's take this line. All right, now we will create the cards. Like here we have created these cards. To create this card, what I will do, I'll go to the insert, then I'll go to the shapes, and I will take this rectangle, rounded rectangle, and let's create the rectangle like this and keep this here. I'll go to the shape fill and I will fill this light color, light blue color, and the border color I will take, let's say this one or this blue color. Alright, now I'll go to the insert again and I will insert another shape, and this time I will take another rectangle, this one which is top corner rounded, and just drag this rectangle here. Now I'll go to the rotate and I'll use rotate left 90. Now I will keep this here and I'll make it slightly smaller like this. Alright, let's zoom our sheet so that we can view the shape properly. First of all, from this small rectangle, I'll go to the shape format and I'll remove the outline. So I'll take no outline. Make it properly rounded so that it can be adjusted. We can change the color. Let's take this color here, or you can choose any other color. So I'm taking this as a blue theme, so I'm taking this color. Make sure the shape outline should be the same, whatever color you are using, and make it slightly thinner. So let's take this one. Alright, so friends, this is ready. Now select both of the rectangles, right click and make them good. Alright, keep this here. I will select this and I will press Ctrl D to make it duplicate, and I will keep this here. I'll press again Ctrl D and Ctrl D. So we have 4 different rectangle. Now I will change the color. So for the second one we will take the another theme. So I'll go to the shape format, shape fill, and let's take this green here, and now select this small rectangle and let's take this green here, and the outline also we will take this green. Now select the third one and double click on the bigger rectangle so that in the group the bigger rectangle will be selected, and let's take this color and select this one, and let's take this color, select again bigger one and change the shape outline. Let's take this one. Third one, you can choose any other colors. Let's say I'm taking this one, select this small one and let's take this color. Shape outline also I will choose the similar theme, this one. So we have created 4 different rectangle with different colors. Now I will insert here few icons. You can download the icons from the Google also, but here I'm using the Office 365, so I can download the icons from here also. So just click on the icon. Now we will select the icons for call. So let's say I'm typing here call, so it will give me the relevant icon. Select this one. For the sale we can take cart icon, so let's take this one, click on insert. So we have 2 type of icon, make them slightly smaller like this. For the call, so we will show the calls here. Let's keep this here on the top corner. So we can make the duplicate of this text box. Press Ctrl D. We'll keep this here. Now select this, go to the formula bar, press equal to and go to the C2, which is the support sheet. So here we will show the number of calls. So just click here. Now this text box is linked with this cell. Hit the enter. So it will show the values or the text is available on that cell, which is A4. Here you can see in the formula bar. Alright, you can change the font. Let's say I want to take agency FV or area rounded empty bold, whatever you want to take. Make this bold, slightly bigger. We will take the theme color. So let's take this blue color here, make it duplicate. Press Ctrl D and let's keep this here. This time we will connect this with A3, which is the header, this one, and just hit the enter. So it is showing the number of calls. Let's keep it as it is. Now select both of these and press Ctrl D to make the duplicate, and we will put them here. Ctrl D and Ctrl D. Alright. Now select this one and we will connect with another metric which is sale, and just hit the enter, and here also we will show the sales. Alright, similarly we will connect this. To change the same format, I will select this one and double click on the format painter, click, click and click. We will just change the color as per the theme, so I'll take here this green color for the text. Let's take this green color, darker, and here we will take the yellow or amber color. Let's take this one, and here we will take this. Now make them group, select and make them group. Alright, so now we have made them group. Now we will rearrange this properly. Select all 4 rectangles, go to this save format, align them top, then distribute horizontally. Alright, now we will create that calendar view also. To create that, what I will do, copy one pivot table from here, go to the dashboard, and I will paste that here. Now right click, go to the show field list, and the month I will put in the filter. And then, so here you can see as I put the month, shapes has been resized as per the width of the cell. So what I will do, just undo this first, select any shape, press Ctrl A, right click, go to the size and properties, and then go to the properties and make them don't move or size with cell. Let's move this pivot table also slightly down. Right click, go to the show field list, and here in the filter I will take this month. Alright, so month is here. Now I will remove all the KPIs from here. So basically I'll keep only month, and I will insert here column. Just right click, go to the pivot table option and uncheck this auto fit column width on update. Okay, so you can make it as per your requirement. Now I'll go to the insert, and then I will go to the slicer and I will insert the slicer for calendar. Basically it's a day, so here you can see it's a day. I'll keep this here, and then I'll keep the number of columns 7. Okay, so we have kept the number of columns 7, and we will resize this. Alright, let's delete one more row from here. Now if I will select any month, then you can see it is working. Let's say for April. Now it is showing some disabled number also. So what I will do, right click, go to the slicer setting, and here first we will not display the headers, but before to do that we will enable that multi select, right, so that you can select the multiple without pressing the control key. Right click now and go to the slicer setting. Now you can uncheck the display headers, and you can just check this hide item with no data. Click on OK. So it is properly visible now, and you can make it slightly smaller also. Now select this slicer and quickly go to the slicer, and here in the slicer styles I will add a new style. Click on the new slicer style. You can keep the name whatever you want to keep here for the slicer style, but I'm keeping it as it is. Now the first option is the whole slicer, so select that and go to the format, go to the fill, and here we will take this light gray color in the fill. Click on OK, and we will not do any other formatting. For header we will not take anything. Now selected item with data, click on the format, and here we will take blue color in the fill. Go to the border, let's take this double line border, and let's take some dark blue, let's say this one, and click on outline. Alright, then go to the font, keep the color of the font as white, this one. Click on OK. Now unselected item with data, click on format, and font you can keep black or automatic. Let's go to the border, so we will select a blue color for this one also. Double line, click on outline, fill, let's take little lighter blue, let's say this one. Click on OK. Now the next one is the hovered selected item with data. Go to the format and let's take this gray color in the fill. Border, you can take little darker border, let's say this one. Click on outline, and font color, let's say I'm taking this dark red color. The same formatting I will take for hovered unselected item with data. So let's take font color this one, border, select this border and some darker gray, outline, fill, let's take this one, click on OK. Okay, so we have created a new style. Now if I will go to the slicer style, I can see this custom style here. If I will click, then you can see the slicer has been changed. I can select multiple here, drag to select the multiple or unselect. Now create the chart. So go to the sheet 2 and this will be our support sheet. You can rename this and we will create the chart for this table. So I'll select this table, go to the insert and I will go to the chart and I'll take, let's say, this 2D column chart. Select this chart, go to the pivot table, analyze, field buttons and click on hide all. Now select this legend, right click, go to the format legend and move it to the bottom. Select this chart and press Ctrl X, cut this and go to the dashboard and paste this chart here. We will keep this chart here. Now we will format this chart, but before that what we will do, here you can see we have selected April and only 14 days of the April. This chart should display only selected days. So now what we can do, first let's come to the support sheet and here I will insert another slicer. So select any pivot slicer and I will select the slicer for the month. So we have this slicer here. Now right click, go to the report connection and we will connect this slicer with all the pivots. Alright, now here in the month you can see we have all. If I will select April, as I will select the April in the slicer, it will automatically will select the April. And because this slicer is synced with these two pivots also, so these two pivots will show the data for April only. As soon as this will show the data for April, this chart will show the data for April. Alright, now the next thing is we have selected only 14 days. It should reflect the 14 days of the data. So what we will do, just select this slicer, right click and go to the report connection and we will connect this slicer with all the pivots. Alright, now here you can see it is showing only 14 days data. If I will select any other day, then it will reflect here also. Now right click on this chart, go to the change chart type. I will go to the combo. For the sales conversion, I'll show the line chart which is already there, but I'll take line with marker and I will take it on the secondary axis. Just click on OK. Our chart will look like this. Just click on this plus button, show the chart title and remove the grid lines from here. Now we can format this, so we can put here daily trend and you can take here, let's select this bar, you can take little dark blue color, let's say this one, or let's take this one. Now select this line, right click, go to the format data series, go to the fill and line. First of all select this solid line and let's take this yellow color and line width I'll take around 1.5 and let's take the smoothed line. Now we will format the markers also. Go to the marker option, built in, and we will take around 6 or 7. Then in the fill, let's take the same color and border I'll take no line. Now I'll go to the, make sure you have selected the markers, then go to the format and save effects and then bevel. I'll take this bevel which is round. Alright, it will give you a very good 3D impact. Now select this bar, right click, go to the format data series. The gap width we will change and let's take around 75 or 70. Okay, so this chart is ready. You can change the border line, go to the format and save outline. Let's take this color. Alright, and here we will take the custom pivot table style also to make it more attractive. So select this pivot table, go to the design and pivot table style, and just click on the new pivot table style. So we'll create a new pivot table style like we have created a new slicer style, but we will just keep it only for filter label and filter value. So just click on report filter label, go to the format, and we will take here this dark blue fill. Font color we will take white, click on OK. Then report filter value, go to the format, fill we will take this light blue color, go to the font, and again we will take the white color, click on OK. Now you can select this pivot table and go to the again in the pivot table style, and you can click on the custom which you have created. Automatically it will give you this view. Alright, from here you can select any of the month, accordingly the chart will be changed. Now you can create another pivot table. Let's select this one and let's paste this and let's remove this date. Alright, it is showing only March. So what we will do, right click on this slicer, click on the report connection and check this pivot table 5. Okay, so it will not be connected with this one. You can remove the filter from here. So here you can see it will not make any impact. We'll show only sales. So just check if it is connected with pivot table 5. Yes, it is connected. So uncheck this one also. Alright. Now friends, we will create a quick pie chart. Go to the insert, then insert a pie chart. So I have created 3D pie chart. You can change the format. So go to the design and you can take the chart style. From here I have taken this one. Right click, go to the format data label, and you can show the values also. And select the chart, go to the format, pivot chart analyze, and field button hide all. Alright, so this is monthly sales. Now select this chart, press Ctrl X to cut this, and you can paste this here. Make it slightly smaller, and this chart should be slightly bigger. Now border of this pie chart also we will take this color. Now we will select this range and press Alt OE to open the format cells border, and let's take this line, and color we will take this blue. Click here, we'll take this format. We can make it slightly smaller so that it should be adjusted. Alright, now friends, I will select all the range from here, and I will give some background color. So the background color I will give this light gray color, this one, and this color I will put here also. Alright, now go to the view and uncheck these headings also. Okay, and if I will hide this ribbon, then you can see it is looking good. Now I can change the month from here, and I can change the dates on the slicer, and you can select the slicer and you can press Alt C to make it clear. Okay, and if you want this slicer should not be moved from here, you can simply right click, go to the size and properties, and go to the position and layout, and just click on disable resizing and moving. Now nobody can resize this slicer and nobody can move it from here. Alright friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos.